Do you think India has a national language? अगर popular perception देखें तो हाँ, everyone will say that Hindi is the national language. But you know what? Hindi is not our national language.
चौंक गए?
We in fact don't have a national language. Hindi is one of our official languages. तो फिर ज्यादातर लोगों को क्यों लगता है that Hindi is our national language? It's because right from schools where Hindi is given more importance to politicians in several states who give more importance to Hindi, that's why somehow the popular perception has become that it's only natural for Hindi to be the national language. और इसकी वजह से knowingly or unknowingly we end up discriminating against those who don't know Hindi. For instance, people from the south and the northeast keep getting discriminated against because उन्हें हिंदी नहीं आती. I understand that Hindi is a popular language, but this does not mean that we should force a non-Hindi speaker to learn the language just because we think so. You know, in India, several attempts were made in the past as well to select one common language to unite the people of the country. This created issues as several politicians in the north viewed English as a foreign language and wanted it to be replaced with Hindi, whereas politicians in the south preferred English as a medium of communication and wanted it to be retained. At that time, Nehru and even Gandhi advocated for Hindustani, which is a combination of Hindi and Urdu, to be adopted as a tool to not just unite people from the north and the south of the country, but also Hindus and Muslims. And you know, time and again, this issue has been politicized in our country. And all of this has fomented a further divide not only between North and South India, but has also created resistance among the other non-Hindi speakers against the rising Hindi imposition on the masses. So I thought I'll look into some of the popular myths on this issue and try to clear the confusion. Isn't Hindi already a national language? No, it most definitely is not. According to Section 343 of the Constitution and a later amendment, हिंदी को recognize किया है as an official language along with English. इंडिया में कोई national language नहीं है, but official language means national language only, no? No, the official language is the language used by the government. States can also designate a language as an official language. जैसे तमिलनाडु की official language तमिल है, West Bengal की बंगाली है, and just as English by the virtue of being an official language is not a national language, neither is Hindi. Since Hindi is spoken by most of the people in India, why not call it the national language already? You know, Hindi is not the mother tongue of most people in India. According to the 2011 census, only 45% of Indians know or speak Hindi. That is less than half of the population of our country. और उसमें से भी सिर्फ 25% लोगों ने बोला है उनकी मदर टंग हिंदी है. Why is there so much resistance? What's so wrong about learning a language? इस हिसाब से तो जिन लोगों की मदर टंग हिंदी है उन लोगों ने कितनी बार अपने आप कोशिश करी है कोई और इंडियन लैंग्वेज सीखने की. अगर ऐसा होता तो नॉन हिंदी स्पीकर्स की भी तो परसेंटेज ज्यादा होती. Instead, the census found that while Hindi is the fastest growing language in the country, there is a drop in the number of speakers of many other languages, particularly from the south of India. Of course, this can also be attributed to the falling population rates in these states. But having said that, if those people whose mother tongue is Hindi were willing to learn another Indian language, the situation might just be very different. But Hindi is a beautiful language. Yes, it is a beautiful language, just like so many other beautiful languages in our country. But imposing any language on someone is unnecessary and makes it ugly. We need a common language so that people can understand each other across the country. See, it depends which part of the country we're talking about. Say, for instance, a Malayali who's going to Tamil Nadu or a Tamilian who's going to Bengal, knowing Hindi is not going to help them get around much. In Assam, Bengali is the second most spoken language after Assamese. In Goa, Konkani is the most spoken language after Marathi. In Kerala, the order is Malayalam, Tamil, Tulu, Kannada and Konkani, where Hindi doesn't even figure in the top 5 languages in this state. और ऐसा तो है नहीं that people have stopped traveling or will not travel to any other state just because they don't know the language. Learning Hindi will only improve job prospects, right? You know, if the government did not time and again impose Hindi on people, there would be no link between the two. Migrant populations, be it white collar or blue collar jobs, learn a new language when they have a practical use for it. In Kerala, for instance, many Bengali migrants have voluntarily learned Malayalam through government programs and otherwise. They did not have to learn Malayalam in West Bengal schools for them to be able to do so. Moreover, Tamil is not only spoken in India but other parts of the world as well, like Malaysia, Singapore, Mauritius, Fiji, Sri Lanka, etc. So going by this logic, shouldn't Hindi speakers be learning Tamil to increase their international job prospects? Resisting Hindi is against the unity of India, right? The fundamental idea of India is unity in diversity, that we acknowledge our differences but have decided to coexist. India, with its so many diverse people and languages, cannot be treated as a homogeneous entity. There is no need for a common language to preserve the idea of India. Hindi is derived from Sanskrit, which is one of the oldest languages in the world. Why not just learn it? Tamil or Sanskrit, which is the older language debate, has been going on for a long time. Even Prime Minister Modi has acknowledged that Tamil is older than Sanskrit. See, it's clear that unlike many European countries, India does not have a national language. And in my opinion, I don't think we need to have one as well, because in a diverse country like ours, जहाँ हर 50 किलोमीटर पर भाषा चेंज होती है, identifying one common language is a needless and a difficult exercise. Well, you might say that if we don't have a common language, then what will unite the people of our country? Well, it's our united struggle for independence, our faith in the Constitution, our diverse cultures, our different languages, our national flag and our national anthem. All of these things bind us together. I don't think having a common national language will do us any good. Yes, I'm thinking aloud, but what do you think? Tell me in the comments below, and for more such videos, keep watching India Times.